G'day guys, welcome to part 6 of the Xray X1 build series. Part 6, what we will be doing is finishing off the basically finishing off the motor pod, which is just really a small part, and adding the body posts, which is also doubles as the battery strap. Now, for this part, I've done just a couple of things off camera. As you can see here, I've added the two body posts. Look, it is the exact same procedure for all the other posts that are on the chassis here, so there's no need to show it. So that's that, what I've done there. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll do the body post mount. So it's quite simple. What I've done here is I've put one on it, assembled one. I've also put I suppose you call it like a grommet, it's what this one of the set screws into for the shock mount. I've also done it for the motor pod mount. There's one in here as well, you can just see it. So it's pretty simple. So what we'll do is we'll do the body post, and what we need is a screw and the body post, 2mm driver on the outermost hole. Pretty easy to put together. I just need to use my multi-grips here just to hold on to it because it's slipping in my fingers. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll just turn it so it goes tight, and so it's facing, so the holes are facing the same direction as the other post. Put a little metal bar through the hole, and we'll put the body rest or body stay on there. Okay, so it goes on just like that. Pretty easy. So now we'll just mount it on. And as always, no thread lock. Just put it there. Alright. So 2mm driver. It's pretty easy. Also take note of the orientation. This kit's actually coming together pretty good, and pretty quickly too, I might add. Okay, just nip it like that. So it just goes on just like that, real easy. Okay, now the next part is for, oh well, while I'm thinking about it, 1.5mm driver. This will be for a little grommet in here. Just do it so it's flush, you'll feel it. Alright. So same procedure for the motor pod part. Take note of its orientation. Alright. So it just goes in just like that. Same with the body post. Okay, so now what we need is, with our screws here, we need one of the longish screws. This is going to be a real quick video, so now just take note of where each part needs to go. Just need a shim. Sorry if you can't see it. There it is. Need a shim. And we'll just put, this time we'll put a little bit of thread lock on the actual screw itself. Not a lot. Alright. 2mm driver once more. And this will be a 2.5mm one. Nope. Fooled me yet again. 3mm. Nope. I have a habit of dropping things. Okay. So now we just mount it onto the motor pod. Simple. So now it's the 2mm one. Okay. Alright, there it is, folks. Pretty easy, quick video. So that is the final assembly of the motor pod and of the battery slash body post. And so yeah, battery strap slash body posts. This while it is in my head, with this particular kit, you can choose to either have the battery facing lengthways or sideways. I'll be having it going sideways. It's not that much difference to do it. It's really just a case of relocating the electronics. But we won't worry about that at this point. So that is the end of part 6. Part 7, we go on to the rear axle. Stay tuned, everyone.